staring at your screen late at night while your lower back throbs and a shiny advertisement for Kinzeno Massage Gel pops up. It promises a botanical escape from that nagging tension with a list of ingredients that sounds like it came straight from a high-end apothecary. Your first thought is likely a mix of hope and deep skepticism. We have all seen these products that claim to change your life overnight. We need to see what is actually happening inside that tube. This gel is not trying to be a secret medical breakthrough. It is marketed as a botanical blend for your daily routine. The list of ingredients is actually quite impressive if you are into natural wellness. We are talking about magnesium and arnica paired with frankincense and horse chestnut. It also includes MSM and a boost of vitamin E and B complex vitamins. These are familiar names in the world of topical recovery. The company emphasizes that this is a cooling experience. They claim it absorbs into your skin almost instantly. Nobody wants to sit around feeling like a slippery mess for 20 minutes after a massage. They say it leaves no greasy residue behind, which is a massive plus for anyone who actually wants to put clothes on after using it. Now the big question is whether this is a legitimate product or just another clever online trap. Based on the facts we have, it looks like a real contender. The manufacturer is being very open about what you are putting on your body. They provide clear usage instructions right there on the official website. They even back their product with a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. That tells me they are willing to stand behind the formula. However, you have to remember that your body is unique. What works for a neighbor might not do a thing for you. It is vital to look for independent reviews from people who aren't paid to say nice things. Compare the prices with other botanical gels in the market before you pull out your credit card. Always check the refund policy so you know your exit strategy if it doesn't work. This is a topical gel designed to enhance the physical act of massage. It provides a temporary cooling sensation that can feel incredible on a hot, tired muscle. It is not a medicine. It is not a cure for a serious medical condition. Do not let a fancy bottle replace professional medical advice for a real injury. If you approach it with the right expectations, it seems like a solid choice for someone looking for a natural, non-greasy massage aid. It is about adding a tool to your self-care kit, rather than finding a miracle. The marketing is transparent, and the ingredients are well known. This makes it a lot easier to trust than some of the mystery products out there. Take your time and do your homework before you buy. If you want a botanical way to cool down your sore spots, this might be a great fit for your gym bag or your nightstand. It is all about finding what works for your specific needs and keeping a level head about the results.